Artificial intelligence, AI, is not just a technological wave, it's a transformative force that is set to impact 40% of jobs globally. According to the International Monetary Fund, IMF Chief Kristalina Georgieva acknowledges the challenges AI poses to job security but also emphasizes the tremendous opportunity it brings to boost productivity and fuel global growth. As we stand on the cusp of this AI revolution, it is crucial to dissect the nuanced impacts it could have on our world. In advanced economies such as the US, the IMF estimates half of the 60% of jobs affected by AI may benefit from the technology, including productivity gains. Close to one-third of jobs, however, are at risk of replacement. The language learning app Duolingo announced layoffs for around 10% of its translation contractors on the 9th of January 2024 in a shift to AI-led content production. AI could also affect income and wealth inequality within countries. We may see polarization within income brackets, with workers who can harness AI seeing an increase in their productivity and wages, and those who cannot falling behind. Research shows that AI can help less experienced workers enhance their productivity more quickly. Younger workers may find it easier to exploit opportunities, while older workers could struggle to adapt. To help countries craft the right policies, the IMF has developed an AI Preparedness Index. Using the index, IMF staff assessed the readiness of 125 countries. The findings reveal that wealthier economies, including advanced and some emerging market economies, tend to be better equipped for AI adoption than low-income countries, though there is considerable variation across countries. Singapore, the United States and Denmark posted the highest scores on the index, based on their strong results in all 4 categories tracked. Guided by the insights from the AI Preparedness Index, advanced economies should prioritize AI innovation and integration while developing robust regulatory frameworks. This approach will cultivate a safe and responsible AI environment, helping maintain public trust. For emerging market and developing economies, the priority should be laying a strong foundation through investments in digital infrastructure and a digitally competent workforce. The net effect is difficult to foresee, as AI will ripple through economies in complex ways. What we can say with some confidence is that we will need to come up with a set of policies to safely leverage the vast potential of AI for the benefit of humanity. The AI era is upon us, and it is still within our power to ensure it brings prosperity to all.